Hello everyone, I'm here with another Christmas anyway, so breeze. I gave Coco a bad shave. Where's the ball? Where's your sock? 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 Alright. Where's your sock? Yeah, go get it. Go get your sock, silly. Alright, come here. Okay, sorry. I had to go get her sock that now she won't share. Give it here. Give me your sock. Give me your sock. Go get it. Silly girl. So I have the holly berry banner, the holly berry pattern, which I cut into a banner. It's Hip Kit Club's holiday happenings called Holiday Holly. And here is the snowflake pattern, which I cut into a circle. Give me your sock. Go get me your sock, silly girl. What you doing? Why are you shaking? You cold? What's wrong? You okay? Silly girl. What? Coco, you filled out quite nicely. From Christmas time to now, you don't look like the same dog. And she don't. So now I just need to commit to everything. What? Get your sock. I can't reach that. I apologize. Trying to get her sock. Okay, so my photo mat is the reverse side of the holly berry pattern. She gets very playful after her shower. She's a playful dog anyway. Even for almost 6 years old, she's very playful, but she gets playful after every bath. Even if I give her a bath right before bed, it's like, gotta play. It's probably a good thing I'm doing some voiceovers before I go to bed. Alright, Coco. Alright. So I'm just committed to all my layers. And now I'm going to use some die cuts from the Hit Kit Club's Holiday Happenings. And then I will also use some of the chipboard stickers from Pink Fresh Studio December Days. And then the puffy stickers from the Hit Kit Club's exclusive product. I'm rearranging my Smurfs earrings. There we go. No sock. Hmm? Oh, there you go. Good girl. So now I'm going to label it Christmas tree, and I'm going to use Hot Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings. Yeah, we took one of Alex's socks that had a hole in it, and I told him to throw it in the trash. It makes a perfect inside fetch toy versus the tennis balls. Right, you're going. Please. Wow, what the heck is that in here? He's a kid. He put his Powerade on the back of one of my drawers, and I pushed my drawer in, and it fell. Anyway, so I'm just positioning my die cuts, what I want to use and how I want to use them. And then that tree is a chipboard sticker. Alright, so I'm just seeing, do I like it? And what else can I add? Those are some buttons that I just put on paper clips. And the buttons that I purchased, they come in like a big pack at, don't get me shocked, at Joann's. And some of them were Christmas themed and Halloween themed and summer themed with a pail and a shovel for the sand, for making sand castles, and sunglasses, flip-flops. And then these enamel dots are Pigfish Studio December days. And then that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.